Hi, I'm Jennifer Flegg. I'm from the University of Melbourne, and I'd like to wish everyone a very happy Women in Mathematics Day. My message for you today is that we need more women and girls to stay in mathematics because there's so many important problems for people to work on. As an example, is the global pandemic that's currently going on and the mathematicians and statisticians that have been working really hard to help guide policies around how we can best come out of that pandemic. So during the COVID-19 isolation, women in maths are still trying to stay connected to each other. And here is a group of women in maths, a walking group that we run at the University of Melbourne. And I'm going to hand over to them to give you their message on Women in Maths Day.
Hi, I'm Rosalind. As was just stated, I'm at the University of Melbourne. And you should study maths because it's the language of scientists. Studying maths doesn't mean you end up a mathematician. You can work on all sorts of cool and fun problems. And you should study maths because it's fun. The higher the level of maths, the more applied it can be, the more fun I find that. So.
Hi, I'm Sarah Billette. I'm the odd one out here because I'm from Monash University. And I love maths and stats because it can be used to solve real world problems and help people in their lives. So just as Jen mentioned, there's a bunch of mathematicians right now working on protecting Australia as best as possible from the coronavirus outbreak, using a lot of the maths that a Year 12 student could understand quite easily. So that's why I really like maths, because it can be used in such powerful ways like this.
Hi, I'm Trish Campbell. I'm a research fellow at the Peter Doherty Institute for Infection and Immunity. And the reason that I love maths is because it can be used to save people's lives and make people's lives better. And I was inspired to move into the field of infectious disease modelling, so applied mathematics, when we had a researcher come and put a model of measles up on the whiteboard, and it totally matched what we observed our measles to be. And I thought, this is the coolest use of maths I've ever seen.
Hi, I'm Adria. I'm from the University of Melbourne. I was inspired to go into maths by first year lecturer at uni. And I would encourage girls to stay in maths because it does get more interesting once you leave school. It doesn't get any easier, but it certainly gets much more interesting and relevant to the broader world. So definitely stick with it.
Okay. Hi, I'm Claire, and I'm actually at the University of Amsterdam. And well, how I got into maths is I don't know. It always excited me from a young age. I always found it much easier to understand than a lot of humanities-based topics. And I think it's great because maths can be applied to just so many different areas, like diseases, environmental areas. You can really go and jump between all these areas as well because they always use similar techniques.